Good morning students, here myself Miss Vaishali. Today I am going to teach you second lesson, the living world. List the things seen in the picture, say whether they are living or non-living things. We can see in 2.1 various things in our environment. Here girl, boy, chickens, hen, dog or puppy, tree, birds, these all are the living things. See, we are going to see the characteristics of living things. There are many kinds of plants and animals around us. They show some similarities and some differences. Yes, all our plants and animals are not appear same. They have the different characteristics. Okay, so yet with the help of certain features we can tell that they are all living things. These features are not seen in non-living things. Such features are said to be the characteristics of living things. Let us study these characteristics. We are going to see in this chapter what is the characteristics of living things. Okay, so the first characteristic is what? Growth. We can see in the picture 2.2, growth in the living things. What differences do we see between the young ones and the adults in the picture? See, in the first picture we can see girl, boy, puppy and sapling. But when you observe in the last picture, you can see they becomes into man and woman. Okay, see that a baby grows up to becomes an adult person, woman or man. See, you can see also puppy becomes into dog, saplings becomes into a big tree. Okay, during the period of its growth, the baby gains in height, weight and strength. In the same manner, all animals grow into adults in a certain period. Generally, humans requires 18 to 21 years for this growth. Find out how long it takes for young ones of hens, cows and dogs to grow into adults. Okay, like this way. Humans requires what? 18 to 21. Then we have to find out what? How much time requires for the young ones like hens, cows and dogs. Okay, so we will move the next page. See, here the small experiment is given, saplings in a pot. Okay, so first tie a thread to the tip of potted saplings. Keep the thread stretched and tie it to a peg or nail above the plant. What do you observe after 10 to 15 days? See, in the first picture we can see the sapling tied to with the stretched thread. After 10 to 15 days, what happens? That thread becomes loose. Why this happened? We will see that. What tells us that the plants has grown taller? In all plants, it is mainly the width and height of the stem that grows. As they grow, some plants develop branches while others do not. Here we can see in the second potted plants, the plants become grown up, so the thread becomes loose. Okay, so in the next paragraph we will see, though all living things grow, animals grow only for a certain period. See, all living things grows only in a certain period, but plants on the other hand grows as long as they live. This is the very important point. What is that? Plants on the other hand grows as long as they live. It means till they are living, it means their growth is growing. But in animals or human, what happens? Only their growth at a certain period. Okay, so the growth of living things occurs from within the body, which means the growth occurs in all parts of the body. See, in the next figure 2.4, growth in the banyan trees and coconut trees. Okay, you can see here the banyan tree and coconut trees shapes are both different. Banyan tree spreading with its big branches, but in the coconut trees it becomes straight. So their appearance is different. Next, food is necessary for the growth. Okay, so this is the very important point. Food is necessary for growth. Without food we can grow? No. Whatever we need for growing us, food is important. The same like way, food is also important to the plant. So plants makes their own food in sunlight. Plants makes their food with the help of what? Sunlight. Plants produce food from water, nutrients in the soil and the carbon dioxide present in the air. How to produce plants its food? With the help of water and whatever the nutrients in the soil and carbon dioxide present in the air. This process take place in the leaves of plants. It is brought about in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll in the leaves. What do you mean by the chlorophyll? So chlorophyll means a green pigment present in all green plants to provide energy for photosynthesis. Is that clear? What is the meaning of chlorophyll? I again tell you that chlorophyll means a green pigment present in all green plants to provide energy for photosynthesis. So this process of food production is called photosynthesis. So what is meant by photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means what? The process by which green plants turn carbon dioxide and water into food using energy from sunlight. So this process is called photosynthesis. During this process, plants gives out oxygen. This time, during the process of photosynthesis, plants gives out oxygen. Plants appear mainly green in color due to the chlorophyll in them. Why the plants look green? Their leaves green. Why the color of the plants green? So because of chlorophyll. So chlorophyll, I again repeat that, a green pigment present in all green plants to produce the energy for photosynthesis. I hope you understand this process of photosynthesis. So you have to draw this figure in your notebook and label the diagram very neatly. So I hope you understand this lesson. Next in the next week I will teach you the respiration. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.